If you've been posting content consistently, showing up online, trying to grow your page, and still not making money from it, my sister, we need to talk. We need to talk because I think a lot of creators are confusing visibility with monetization. Content alone is not a business. Let's get into it. My sister, Vernon's here. If you want to learn how to show up confidently online, build a brand, and also learn how to make money from it, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so that you're notified every time I post a new video. Yay! Okay, my sister, I'm not coming here talking like an expert, okay? I'm coming here because I had to learn the hard way, and I want you to learn from my mistake. I started online as a model and a content creator, but behind the scenes, I was building a digital brand. I was building digital products, building funnels, email lists, systems, and automations. And once I stopped treating my content like it's just little content that I'm posting here and there, and actually started treating it like a business, everything changed for me. That's how I was able to build multiple six-figure, selling over $450,000 in digital products, build my personal brand, and create more freedom for myself. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you exactly what you need to start doing and basically start taking your content like it's just content and start taking it seriously, because this is the year. Content is attention, not the business. One of the biggest mistakes that so many creators are making, I see creators that have so many followers, but they're still not making money because they are just taking your content like it's content, because it is a business. If I just post enough content, the money is gonna come. Sometimes it does come, okay? Sometimes it does come, but it doesn't come how you think. But I want you to know that content is only attention. You're just building attention to yourself. But there has to be a system behind that attention. Because if you don't have the system behind the attention, people are just gonna come to your page, okay? And then they're just gonna go, right? They're not gonna do anything. You can have attention and brands pay you because you have that attention. That is literally just one way on how you're making money, right? On social media. And sometimes it's not consistent. You want a way that you are being consistent with how you are monetizing your brand. You can go viral every single day and still struggle financially with your content because there is actually no strategy behind it, because you're just posting randomly and there's literally no strategy. It's just random content that you're posting, right? It's where I feel like so many of creators get stuck, and like the digital queens that I work with and the modelpreneurs that I work with as well get stuck. That means you literally need a system. And your system is going to turn that attention into action. Because when people get on your page, right, you don't want them to just get on your page and then they just leave, right? You want them to do something. You want them to find your content. Then what's going to happen next? You know, what's the next step that they're going to do? They're going to maybe join your email list. Maybe they're going to go and watch your YouTube videos. Maybe they're going to book a call with you. Maybe they're going to buy a product. Maybe they're going to join your community. You literally want them to do something. You see like those little short form videos that I post. It is just like building attention. You know, it's not the business. It's literally just like when you're running ads and a lot of people get on that one specific video, there is a system behind the ads. You differentiate the ad because you know it's an ad. You want people to take attention, but it's the same with the content. The content also, it's not just random posting content. You literally want people to do something with that content, right? So they're kind of like ad, but you're not paying for it. It's free ads. This is why I created the show up system cell. And this is the method that I honestly have been doing and using for years. And I didn't even realize it until like one day it just like came to me. I feel like so many women only focus on the showing up part. And, you know, some of them show up, others don't, you know, but others do show up, but they are missing the system and sell part. Because also like when you mix the visibility, the systems, and then the monetization, that's when you're showing up confidently and just being yourself. And then the system doesn't always like build itself. You kind of have to build it, but you only build it once. And once you build it, everything is like it just it becomes like an automation, you know. It's just like automating things. You're like building the system behind your content. The content is just going to be selling for you. Then you don't have to be the one that is doing it. Your content is just going to be selling, because once you show up confidently, you build a system, then your content is just going to start selling for you. So, and you don't have to be like screaming and telling people like, buy this, buy that, buy this, like so many people do online. So your content is just going to start selling things for you. And the next one is that you don't need more followers. I think so many creators always think that they need more followers, but you don't need more followers. You just need better positioning, better systems, better offers. I have a coach that literally, she does, like when I first started working with her, she only had 4,000 followers online, and she was a millionaire like from her content, because she had really good system, amazing offer. Her positioning was so good, and I had more followers than her, but I wasn't making as much money as her for my content. So it's literally not about your content, it's just about your positioning, your systems, and your offers. Other creators that have like millions of followers, and then they literally don't know nothing about how to monetize your brand. So once you understand this, it's going to be really easy for you. And that's kind of what I go deeper whenever I'm like working with my queens. What you need to focus on is showing up, understand your audience, what they want, your positioning, your systems, your offers, like all of that. And then the last one is your content should support your life. The goal should never be, oh, I just want to go viral. I think this is like so many of creators that I know, and also that I don't know, people that I like see on social media. They're like, oh, I want to go viral. But it's like, no, it shouldn't be the goal. The goal should be, you want to build your content to support your life. You know, you want to build content that can support your life and your lifestyle. Your freedom, flexibility, income, opportunities, creative control. And honestly, that's when you're going to stop posting randomly and just start posting with intention. And also, don't build a brand that like it's on about your hobby, like a specific hobby. This is something that I did. If you do this wrongly, you're going to feel so boxed in, and that's kind of how I felt with my personal brand that I built, which wasn't really built around my lifestyle and like the lifestyle that I was planning to have. It was just based on like my hobby, you know. And your hobbies can change, and then you're gonna feel so boxed into this business and like brand that you don't like. So that's kind of how I felt. So make sure that you are building content around your lifestyle and building a business around your lifestyle, so that you don't feel boxed in. You can always switch around and do different things, and you don't feel like you are in a box and feeling like you are stuck, because that's how I felt. But this is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I am so happy that you're here, and I post more content like this, all about confidence, personal branding, content systems, digital products, funnels, literally all of that. And I talk more about my show up, system, sell method. So make sure to subscribe, like, share, comment, and make sure to come back for my next video. Bye.